Good morning, everybody. How you doing walking around Miss Duck Duck? She laid an egg this morning. It's right there, Duck. Good morning, Duck Duck. Good morning. Good morning. Where's Happy Duck? Where's Happy? Is her Happy Duck? Her Happy Duck? Is she Happy Duck? Is her a movie star Happy Duck? Yes, she is. She's a sweet girl. Yeah, sweet girl. A sweet girl. You hear the crows? Oh, JJ! What are those? Will they come eat off the picnic table today? Maybe. Maybe. Yeah. I've had her ever since she was a hatchling. She was left behind. All the rest of them hatched out, and Mama took them away, and she hatched out a day late and a family short. But now she has a family. She was a little yellow duckling, and now she's Maverick. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. And we have another duck. He's handicapped. But this duck hangs out with the rabbits. And it likes to go inside. However, that's a messy situation. I'll let her in sometimes. She likes to hang out with the cats, the bunnies, the chickens. Oh, speaking of kitties, come here, Wally. Here comes one now. This is Wally. She's a sachet of a sweet cat, as long as it's on her terms. She stays in the house at night, but during the day she's a yard cat. And my Sunshine, he's still housebound because he's recovering from his injury. All right, I gotta go inside. Everybody have a blessed day.